Today, we're diving deep into a crucial component of your vehicle that ensures a smooth ride: the wheel bearing. But what happens when it goes bad? How does it affect your car's acceleration? We'll explore how bad wheel bearings can significantly impact your vehicle's performance, particularly its acceleration. The role of wheel bearings. Wheel bearings are fundamental parts of your vehicle, maintaining stability in your wheels and tires. They play a pivotal role in reducing friction, allowing for smooth wheel rotation. But when they go bad, the consequences can be severe. How bad wheel bearings affect acceleration. Bad wheel bearings lead to wobbling wheels and tires, steering wheel vibration, and even damage to your axle. This not only limits your speed but jeopardizes your vehicle's handling, grip, and overall performance. Imagine trying to accelerate smoothly, but your car feels like it's struggling against itself. That's the reality with bad wheel bearings. And it doesn't end with acceleration. A faulty wheel bearing puts undue stress on your transmission, especially in front-wheel drive vehicles where the drive shaft is directly aligned with the wheel bearing. Vibrations from a bad bearing can travel up the CV axle, knocking on your transmission's door with problems. Symptoms of a bad wheel bearing. So, how can you tell if your wheel bearing is going bad? Look out for these telltale signs. Noise and unusual sounds. Grinding, clicking, howling, or growling noises from your wheel. Vibrations. Noticeable vibrations in your steering wheel or the entire car, especially at higher speeds. Uneven tire wear. Loose and shaky wheels leading to uneven tire movement and wear. Reduced acceleration. Difficulty in accelerating smoothly due to increased friction and vibration. Other causes of poor acceleration. While bad wheel bearings are a common culprit, poor acceleration can also stem from other issues such as faulty sensors, contaminated fuel or air filters, or a bad timing belt. It's crucial to diagnose the problem accurately to ensure your vehicle's health and safety. The dangers of ignoring bad wheel bearings. Ignoring these symptoms is not just a risk to your vehicle's performance, it's a danger to your safety. From unresponsive acceleration to potential wheel detachment, the stakes are high. It's crucial to address any signs of wear immediately to prevent further damage. Conclusion. Understanding the impact of bad wheel bearings on your acceleration is just the start. Regular maintenance and early detection are your best defenses against these issues. For more detailed information and expert advice, check the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.